I'm going to show you a few exercises that you can use to improve your technique when playing Seben on a bass guitar. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, it's important that we use our right thumb and right index finger for a better tone. We're going to be focusing on this movement. And I've also mentioned before that it's important that we aim to sound like a percussion instrument. And in order to achieve that, it's important that we learn how to play like this. But in order to get used to using your right thumb and right index finger, all I want you to do is rest your fretting hand, so your left hand, if you're right-handed, on the strings. Don't press them. And I want you to use your right thumb, right index finger, and play this. Just to get used to that movement. So you're using your thumb to play the E string, and you're using your index finger to pluck the G string. So very slow. And now we will switch to E string. We'll do E string and the D string. E string and A string now. E string only. And going back down. Increase the speed. For the second exercise, I want you to play this. So we're playing the E string, and then using our thumb on the G string, we play with our thumb and then our index finger. So we're doing this. And then do the same thing on the D string, and then the A string, and then here. So for the third exercise, I want you to do the same thing. But now we're adding more. So now for the last exercise, I want you to add a bit more, and I want you to mix and match. I'll give you something to play, but you can mix and match and play your own thing. So I want you to play this. So So it's important that you practice this with a metronome as well, and try to practice this with actual Seben bass lines as well. If you're struggling on knowing what to play, check out my tutorials on my profile, and I have plenty of tutorials. I also have tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can refer to and learn, and these are beginner friendly. And it's very important for you to get a technique right for you to be able to play bass lines in Seben.